Hi, this is Geraldine Bosner, and today was in total contrast to yesterday. It was really grey and wet, and the temptation just to snuggle up with a blanket and a hot drink was very strong. But I asked myself, now does this energy match what I'm choosing to create here? And it didn't at all, so I kind of did the opposite to it. So I went out in the rain and had a swim in the sea. So yeah, if you find it hard to make a decision, or you're tempted just to kind of slip back to old ways, that can be a very good question to ask. Just, does the energy of this decision that I'm going to make, or this choice that I'm going to make, does it match the energy of how I actually want to live my life? Yeah, so that can be the tool for today.